Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to send your Gumroad earnings to people. First, you should be logged into your Gumroad account. After that, you should click on Dashboard. Then click on Settings. After that, click on Payments. Your account should be verified, so if you don't know how to verify your account, you will find a tutorial on this channel. Scroll down until you find the People section. So connecting a personal or business PayPal account will allow you to accept payment with PayPal. Each purchase made with PayPal will be deposited into your PayPal account immediately. Payments via PayPal are supported in every country except Brazil, India, Japan, Macedonia, Federated State of Turkey. So click on Connect with PayPal and you will be redirected to PayPal. Click Next and log into your PayPal account. After you log into your PayPal account, you should click on Confirm, and yeah, your account now is linked with PayPal and your earnings will be deposited directly to your PayPal account. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.